So let's start the story. Some graduates who were highly established in their careers got together to visit their old university professors. So this is something like we can say uh, reunion, we can say. So it was indeed great fun reminiscing the good old days. So they were having fun, remembering the good old days they have spent in their schools, in their colleges. It was conversation soon turned into complaints about stress of work in life they suffer nowadays. So see, yeah, definitely when we walk, say when we are out from our school days are the best days in our life. Now when we are out from there, the we have to walk, okay, walk to get paid. Now there are some difficulties over there. There are many difficulties we will be facing in our walking days. But still, let's take the remaining story. Offering his guests coffee, the professor went to the kitchen and returned with a large pot of coffee and an assortment of cups, porcelain, plastic, glass, crystal, some plain looking, some expensive, some exquisite, telling them to help themselves to the coffee. So what the professor did, he went back, he offered coffees, and he brought different types of mugs, different types of cups. So some of them were plastic, some of them were glasses, some of them were exquisite, some of them were very expensive. So he have offered different glasses to them, or cups to them. When all the students had a cup of coffee, the professor said, "You must have noticed that all the nice looking and expensive cups were picked up by the students, leaving behind the simple and cheap ones." Now this happens to us also. We used to go for the all the beautiful things. We don't see the quality of the thing, but we go for the we go for the what is good for the eyes. While it is normal for you to want only the best for yourselves, that is the source of your problems and stress. So these are the problems of source, because we want what is good for our eyes, but we don't go for quality. If you go for quality, then there is a different story. Now be assured that the next page, okay, page number 5, be assured that the cup itself adds no quality to the coffee. Now the cup doesn't give any quality to the coffee. The coffee, what is made inside the cup, what is that inside the cup, it's of whatever the quality the professor had made. The coffee is of quality, not the cup. What all of you really wanted was coffee, not the cup, but your consciously went for the best cups. Then you began eyeing each other's coffee. Now after picking up those cups, then we used to do, we used to eye others. Like, say we had a good, very beautiful bag. We brought it from your father or your mother have purchased it from the market. Then when we brought that bag, then what we used to do, we used to see what are the others are bringing, what type of bags, what color or what type of bags they are bringing. So we used to eye into others' life also. Life is a gift of God. You have to make it worth living by developing in you certain good traits and values. So you have to develop something good traits and values. This is a life. Our life is a gift of God. Okay. The given examples gives you an idea to understand what life is. Life is the coffee. Okay. So life is the coffee. The jobs, money, and position in society are the cups. So life is the coffee. Our life is the example of the coffee, but the money, the positions, the job we do is the cup. Okay, that holds only, that holds that coffee, or that holds that our life. This job we used to do, that holds our life only. They are just tools to hold and contain life, and the type of cup we have does not define nor change the quality of life we live. So it's like the same thing. It's the quality of life we used to live. It's not the cup we have defined. So sometimes by concentrating on the cup, we fail to enjoy the coffee. God has provided us enjoy your coffee. So It's the coffee that we have to enjoy, not the cups. The happiest people don't have the best of everything, they just make the best of everything. See, the thing is that we don't have the best of everything, but we have to make the best out of everything. So try to lead your life with certain ethical values, such as these are 5 ethical values: live courageously, love generously, be caring and cooperative, speak kindly, and trust in God. You are the miracle, my friend. Learn to live and shine where you are. So always learn to live and shine where you are, and always try to get the quality of your own life. Okay, don't go for the where we have seen like it's good for the eyes, like you have a big car, you have a, okay, that's good, having a car is good, but the quality should be there. Your life should have a quality, your life should have an aim. Okay, so I have finished the very first chapter. I will continue with the second chapter in the next video. Thank you.